our world is becoming more and more digital. The internet will soon be replaced by a new network that will enable us to transport not just information, but also value. It is possible that most of the world's valuable assets will be exchanged using NFTs over blockchain technology in the next decade or two. So much will be changed in the future, and NFTs will have a very large part in this whole transformation. In today's video, we will talk about this incoming NFT craze and will discuss why NFTs will change the world. We will also go over some NFT investment tips. So, make sure you don't miss any part of the video, as today's video is going to be very important. So, let's dive in. The internet we know today will be replaced by a new network, something called Web3, or even something more advanced than that by the time it's implemented. It will allow us to transport not just information, but also economic value, and this is already happening. NFTs have already attracted the interest of big fashion brands, celebrities, gaming firms, and major merchants, all of whom have invested in this vital sector. But what is an NFT actually? NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's a financial security consisting of digital data stored in a blockchain, which is a form of distributed ledger. The value of the NFT market was approximately $35 billion early this year in 2022, and it is predicted that it will expand to approximately $147 billion by 2026. So, with this much growth projected, it is vital for every investor to have some type or form of it in their portfolio. Because whether you like it or not, the future is NFTs. That being the case, the earlier we delve into it, the bigger the advantage and returns we'll have. Right now, the NFT world is currently divided as a result of all the quick revenue, but there's no denying the potential of NFTs. It's just weighing the risks against the possible benefits that can be difficult. If you're thinking about making an investment in this market, then there are some things you should watch out for. When investing in an NFT project of any kind, the first recommendation is to do your own research. However, in a field that is developing so fast that the federal government is unable to keep up and hackers are successfully stealing billions of dollars, research from conducting Google searches may be just as effective as anything else. Another recommendation is to make friends with people already active in the space. Joining free communities on Twitter Spaces and Discord is a good way to get started, as it requires little effort and has a low barrier to entry. In these communities, you can learn about the additional benefits that NFT projects offer buyers, as well as other industry news and information. Here's a tip. In 2022 and into the future, the NFT market is expected to continue to grow, with a wide range of exciting NFTs increasing in value and proving to be valuable assets to acquire. That being the case, there are a number of things to keep in mind while deciding which NFT is best for you to invest in. So, let's go through them. The first thing to keep in mind is to look for the creator of that specific NFT you are willing to invest in. The creator of an NFT collection is one of the most important aspects to take into consideration. The success of designs made by Larva Labs, the company that made CryptoPunks, shows that NFTs with a well-known creator tend to do better than those made by unknown people. Another aspect to keep in mind is to invest early. In fact, many of the top NFTs go on sale at a low price, only to rise in value over the following months and years. NFTs such as CryptoPunks, which were introduced in 2017, had a price range of $1 to $34. Looking at the market right now in 2022 shows that CryptoPunks are selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars to millions of dollars. In the same way, take for instance, Bored Ape. It was $190 when it was released in 2017, and the current average floor price for Bored Ape now is $98,000, with some commanding an asking price of $400,000. The third thing to keep in mind while investing in an NFT is to look for the additional features that a particular NFT provides. For example, the Bored Ape Yacht Club provides owners with access to an exclusive Discord with several high-profile personalities. Furthermore, several NFT collections build a community of like-minded individuals through events and meetups. So, if an NFT has an attractive additional feature, then it may be a good idea to invest in it. Finally, NFTs that are owned by celebrities typically have a more luxurious feel to them, which helps enhance their value. In a recent piece, more and more celebrities are getting on board the NFT hype train. Eminem, Steph Curry, Snoop Dogg, and Reese Witherspoon are some of the celebrities who already possess NFTs. The reputation of an NFT collection increases proportionately to the number of well-known individuals who are the collection's owners. So, if a particular NFT has a celebrity connection, it may very well be a good choice to invest in. In summation, right now, NFTs are analogous to unique collectibles such as comic books, real artwork, doll collections, and sneaker collections, but the time is coming where they will be regarded as so much more. Yes, NFTs have the potential to completely transform a person's financial condition. But even as we've seen recently with the uncertainty in the markets, they too can also be highly volatile. Considering the current situation with the markets and crypto, only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't invest everything you have and do sound research into the ones you'd like to confidently own. In short, NFTs are a brand new business model, and they will change the entire industry. It is likely to change the way we do business, buy things, spend money, and even get together with friends and family. Early investors have a better probability of making money than those who wait until the last minute. Well, that was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.